Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. I really hope all of you are well. So you already read from the title. In this video I'm gonna discuss about how to remove blackheads permanently. So make sure you watch the video complete and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So friends, coming to the topic, blackheads. Blackheads could be very annoying and frustrating, and if you are from the oily skin, I cannot even imagine the scenario. So what is the reason behind that we get blackheads on our skin, on our nose? What happens that our nose contains hair follicles which had sebaceous gland that produces sebum, which is for the benefit of our skin as it makes our skin really soft. But when that sebum combines with dead skin or dirt or bacteria, it produces a bump. It could be a blackhead or could be a whitehead. If it is covered, then it is a whitehead. If not, then it is a blackhead. So in this video I am going to tell you how you can remove that blackhead permanently. This is a face wash that contains salicylic acid. It contains 1% of salicylic acid. You can also use face wash that contains glycolic acid. What happens when we use a face wash that contains salicylic acid? Salicylic acid is the only oil soluble acid. So when we put it on our face, where we are having blackheads, it just remove everything, because salicylic acid have a property that it just break down dirt, impurities, bacteria, excess oil. It just break down everything. So when we wash our face, everything just get removed out and we get a very clear skin and there is no blackhead. Also you can use a face wash that contains glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is the strongest AHA. It just removes all the blackheads. It gets deeper into your skin and scars, and it just shows the result faster. Actually I ordered a face wash that contains salicylic acid as well as glycolic acid, but because of the lockdown my order was delaying and it has been 15 days still I was not receiving it. So I just cancelled the order and I bought this face wash from the local store. So yes, you can also use any face wash. Right now I am having a face wash that contains salicylic acid. You can use glycolic, salicylic, or even both. That just completely depends upon you. Talking about how to use it and what are the precautions that you should take. So make sure whenever you are buying a salicylic or glycolic acid product, it has salicylic or glycolic from 0.5 to 2%, not more than that, because it is only advisable to use by the doctors, not by the common people. So make sure you use face wash that contains 0.5 to 2% glycolic, salicylic, and even both. If you are using it, so make sure you use it in the night and not in the daytime. You can use it, it is completely up to you. There is no allergy or any reaction if you use it in the daytime. Also guys, if you are using this face wash that contains salicylic or glycolic acid, please avoid scrubbing your face, because that way you will over exfoliate your skin and you can harm your skin. So make sure you do not scrub your face. Also avoid contact with your eyes and make sure you store it in a cool, dry place. These are all the precautions that you should take. Also this face wash that contains salicylic and glycolic acid is completely safe. Anybody, even if they have dry skin, sensitive skin, normal skin, combinational skin, anybody can use it. It is safe and no allergy or any reaction has been shown in the studies, and it is completely safe. You can give it a try and use it. So guys, now talking about my personal experience, it has worked really well for me. It has removed almost 95% of my blackheads, even improved hyperpigmentation and so many skin problems. So if you have acne or you have hyperpigmentation, you have blackheads, whiteheads, face wash that contains salicylic and glycolic acid could be really good for you. So please give them a try. You will be really happy to see the result. And do not believe on me, just try it by yourself. You will be amazed to see the result. So guys, that's it with the video, and I hope you have liked it, and if you have, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And that's it. We'll meet soon. Until then, bye bye. Take care of yourself as well as your family.